Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to make a review about my favorite skincare product. So this is the Cellglo Creme 31. So this is the packaging for the product. As you can see, the packaging is quite nice and it's quite attractive as it looks very exclusive with the transparent glass packaging product from French. So in terms of the texture, this product has very light creamy texture which is easy to spread, and when we apply it to our face it absorbs quickly and completely into our skin without feeling greasy. So next, let's go through the ingredient of this product. The main ingredient includes in this product are phytoplacenta, as referred to wild soya bean, which mainly restore skin collagen to improve our skin's elasticity, and also Dioscura villosa, as referred to wild yam, for moisturizing purpose. Other than that, it also contains sodium hyaluronate for hydrating, grapeseed oil for anti-inflammatory, sunflower seed oil for moisturizing, jojoba oil for anti-aging, and also vitamin B for shooting and healing. So those ingredients will improve your skin condition, especially for those dull skin, scar and marks, dehydrated, irritated skin, and wrinkles. Fortunately, it does not contain parabens, alcohol, and fragrance that harms our skin. With all these ingredients, I highly recommend this product because it is clinically tested and suitable for all skin types, whenever you are oily skin or dehydrated skin. So you can use it twice a day for morning and night time. Now I'm going to show you how to apply on skin. First of all, pump the cream after cleaning your skin. Apply the cream with fingertips on cheeks, forehead, nose and chin. Then massage gently until all the cream are fully absorbed. I would truly recommend you all to try this product, Cellglo Creme 21, because believe me, you will not be disappointed after daily use of this. To be honest, the price for this product is quite pricey, but I'm sure you will fall in love after you use it for the first time. This product would cost $132 per item, but for full facial treatment, I would recommend you all to purchase the full set of Cellglo product, including deep cleaning bar and moisturizing sunscreen cream to get more discount offer. So in the end, you will see a massive change in your skin condition in a short-term period in order to achieve a good balanced skin you desire. So why would I recommend this product is because this company are producing the most effective product with highest quality ingredient, which not mainly focusing on skincare only but also emphasize our health condition, which they are also popular in eyes product. By the way, you cannot purchase this item at any drugstore like Watson or Guardian, but it requires for online purchasing from any agents of this Cellglo product or directly through their online platform. That's all from me today. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.